Hey, so I made $65,000 without even showing my face on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to show you successful ways for you to start making money on YouTube without showing your face. But I will be so happy to show you all the details necessary about my channel and how I made this amount of money without showing my face. But first of all, let me take you on what to consider the most when you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel and you really don't want to show your face on the channel. So in this video, I'll be so happy to show you these successful methods that I used to make sure that I grew up on my channel and I made a lot of money on this channel. So if you are going to consider this method and you're going to follow everything that I say in this video, I'm pretty sure that your channel will be so successful in a very short time. So let's now dive in and see this method. This is our first step. You have to go to Google, then just right here, Google Trend, then you have to click it and this page will show up, and right here it will show the location that you're currently in right now. And if you're from USA, you can just scroll down here and choose your country, and you can see everything that is trending in your country right now. And as you can see, most of these trends are all about entertainment, sports, and politics. And this is what I did to make sure that I started a successful YouTube channel. First of all, you need to know that what people are really interested to search on YouTube. So this is the reason I showed you Google Trend on what topics most of people are very interested in: entertainment, sports, and politics. So let's go to our step number 2. Right after seeing these trends, you can decide on which niche that you can fit in, and you can start your channel. You can start your YouTube channel by starting posting videos about entertainment, about sports, or politics. And I am saying this because I really have experience on this channel that I showed before. I was talking about entertainment, and I grew up in a very short time, and I was making up to 3 million views every single month, 2 million views every single month. And I am just going to show you these analytics. You can see how many views I was receiving every single day and every single month. So I was making a lot of money just from this channel, and I really never showed my face on this channel. It's very easy. And right now I am going to show you how you can also have a successful channel without you even showing your face. So let's now see the next step that you're supposed to do to make sure that you started this year or maybe next year. So let's see. As I said before, you're not going to show your face on this channel, but it won't hurt you to use your own voice on this channel. So what you have to do is that right after choosing this niche that you think you're really good at, you just have to make sure that you take different pictures online, different videos online, and you have to add your voiceover and start posting these videos on your YouTube channel. So this is very easy. I record my voice on my mobile phone. As for me, I really don't have expensive equipment. All I do is that I take my mobile phone, I record my own voice and posting these videos on my channel. And for now, I'm making at least 800,000 views up to 1 million views every single month. And it's really hard to believe that all these viewers that I'm receiving on this channel, I just record my audio, I just record my voice on my mobile phone, but I'm making a lot of views every single month. So it really does matter about the equipment that you're using. You just need to be really good at storytelling. So this is all you can do. I know you may be asking yourself on how are you going to edit this video that you post on your YouTube channel. There are a lot of great programs, there are a lot of great application that you can use to make sure that you edit your videos and produce very good content. And for me, I can just recommend you can start using KineMaster on your mobile phone or CapCut on your mobile phone. But if you're using laptop or computer, you can go ahead and download Filmora, Adobe, and CapCut. These are the programs that I use on my channels to make sure that I produce good content on my channel. All these programs, they are very easy to use, and I'm pretty sure that if you take your time to learn on how to use on these programs, you can start producing very amazing content on your channel, and your YouTube channel can grow in a very good way because of your editing skills that you learned from these programs. So right now you are editing all these videos, you are posting all these videos, and we are expecting for you to start making money just on your YouTube channel. So how can you really start making money on your YouTube channel? So right after reaching 1,000 subscribers on your YouTube channel, and at least 4,000 watch hours on your channel. Right after that, your channel will get monetized and you can start earning money on your YouTube channel. And it always takes like at least 3 months of consistency. If you are really hard working and you're posting consistently, you can make sure that you get monetized within 3 months or 2 months. It always depends on your hard work. So I really encourage, if you really have free time and if you really want to make money on YouTube, you can just sacrifice at least 1 year or 6 months of hard work and you can start seeing this result, and you can start making money on YouTube. And I'm saying this because right now I am going to show you this analytic on my channel. And on this channel, I used to make at least $2,000 every single month, $3,000 every single month, and you can see all these analytics. I was making at least $100 a day, $180 a day. So I'm saying this because, a lot of people are afraid to take the first step to start a YouTube channel because they are really shy on how people are going to talk about them. But the good thing about this is that no one is going to notice that you are the owner of a certain channel because you are not going to show your face. You can just use your voice, or you can actually hire somebody who can use his voice and post on your channel and all that. So I encourage you for you to go ahead and do this because there are too many great opportunities on YouTube, and I'm pretty sure that YouTube, it can be a life-changing for you. So you really have to go ahead and try to start making money on YouTube, because I can say that because for now I don't have any other source of income that I really depend on comparing to YouTube, because most of my revenue and most of my source of income are from YouTube. So I did encourage you did have to take your step. The last thing that I want to say, that you can use Google Trend to know what is trending and to know what to post next on your next video. So this is very important, and it's really going to help you to make sure that you don't hurt your head thinking about what exactly you're supposed to post on your YouTube channel. So you did have to use Google Trends. It's really helping a lot of creators out there. But also the other thing that I want to say right now, that you can use this free videos website. If you want to add any video on your content, you can go ahead and use this free videos website. There are a lot of free videos websites like Pixels and Pixabay. All these websites, you can download videos for free if you want to add anything on your videos. And the last thing, and the last important thing that I want to recommend right now, is that when you start a YouTube channel, you really don't have to think about the amount of money you're going to make at the first press, because it's going to take some time. It can take 3 months, it can take 2 months, it can take a year, but you just have to sacrifice your time. You really don't have to think about time. You just have to make sure that you provide good content, and after that, I'm pretty sure that your channel will get monetized and you can start making money. But you just have to be consistent on your posting your content and do all that. Just make sure that you really don't give up on your first days or on your first months. So thanks so much. My name is Hans David, and I wish you all the best on your channel, and I'm pretty sure that you're going to make a lot of money on your channel. So thanks so much, and I hope to see you next time.